Laithang 28 February wa Khorokdokchi foreign tourist Phaimani Tripura haste berainainani bagwi Himalaya International Institute of Yoga Meditation Science and Philosophy ni teitulungbai tubujakmani borok jotono America tai England ni Tripura kaisa naithatok haste orni kaisa kaini berai thairok no berai abohaino saka foreign country ni final lukurok borok haste phai sokmaimani Laithang 28 February salmariwo haste phai Tripura sundari sobi mura nirmol rok berai naikha kokri salo paithak berai naikha rajakhor agulini ojanta place no foreign country ni lukurok berainani phai belekhano khatungmani kok saka tei organization ni director Ramson Harry saka Tripura ni hukumu mukumurok belekhano naithatok hnoi
So we are part of the Himalayan International Institute of Yoga, Meditation, Science and Philosophy. And we have a group of 60 international delegates here visiting Tripura to experience the extremely rich culture that is here, both spiritually, geographically, and of the people, tribal culture, and everything that Tripura has to offer. So we are coming with open minds and big hearts to experience the best of what Tripura and the Northeast have to offer the world and share it with our group of 60 international guests here, and also to share it with our guests around the world through all of the different stories, photos, and videos that we'll be taking along the way.
How you see Tripura? How you see Tripura? In Tripura, what do you see?
Well, so far we have had a wonderful darshan at Tripura Sundari. We have been to Nir Mahal and Chabimora and Kalibari, and here we are at the Ajanta Palace, and it's been just a wonderful stay in your beautiful state and this wonderful country.
Do you like Chabimora?
We love everything that we have seen so far. So thank you for the warm hospitality that Tripura has offered, and we will definitely be back again.
Sir, your good name?
My name is Ransom Hare. I am the director of spiritual excursions at the Himalayan Institute.
Thank you, sir. And you are from which country?
The United States.
Thank you, sir.
Abo haikino lukorok wansuk like Sorop Gangulino Tripura tourism ni brand ambassador Sramani hastio kaham manmung rizakha hnoi abo haikino kaisa kokthum panda khlaibo okongno shaka tourism department mantri Sushanto Chaudhuri Raja Khoragul Nishim Pranamni Kokthum Chini Khorang